हेलो, नमस्कार। मैं हूँ सुधीर। और मेरे साथ है नवल। है नवल, कैसे हो?
यशोधीर बढ़िया।
अ,
आज क्या के लिए बुलाया?
आज आज हम बात करेंगे मिड सीजन रिव्यू हैदराबाद का। तो जैसे हमने कहा, 10 गेम्स हो चुका है सीजन में। तो थोड़ा देखते हैं कि हाउ द परफॉर्मेंस वाज एंड व्हाट other things they need to work on and how the second half of the season will be.
श्योर श्योर श्योर, अच्छा टॉपिक है, चलो।
Alright, तो पहले टॉपिक में जाने से पहले सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, कैसे एंजॉय किया अभी तक गेम, ये सीजन?
अह, ये सीजन गेम्स आई एम लाइकिंग हैदराबाद ऑफ कोर्स।
हम्म।
जमशेदपुर का गेम अच्छा लग रहा है।
या।
मुंबई सिटी हैव बीन वेरी गुड,
हम्म।
राइट। वो तो मुझे लग रहा है कि आई शुड नॉट कंपेयर, बट वो तो मैनचेस्टर सिटी का गेम प्ले एमुलेट कर रहे हैं।
या।
मतलब एटलीस्ट इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स में वो कर पा रहे हैं,
बिल्कुल।
which Manchester City are trying to do. But yeah, they're keeping up their form.
या।
Hope to see them do the same so that other teams can catch up. ठीक है, one team has to outperform others so that others can catch up, है ना?
बिल्कुल।
Otherwise, the standards will remain, mediocre.
या।
So I like what they're doing. It will just up the standards. ATK को competition बहुत मिल रहा है, तो I think they will change the game plan, ATK, or probably they'll, you know,
या।
change their entire system, because right now I think they are more reliant on Roy Krishna and you know Manveer Singh. लकी गोल्स मिल रहे हैं थोड़े। ऑफ कोर्स हार्ड वर्किंग है गोल्स। डिफेंसिवली रेजिलिएंट है, बहुत अच्छा है। बट कैची फुटबॉल नहीं खेलते, इट इज
बिल्कुल।
नॉट अट्रैक्टिव, बट या दे आर
बिल्कुल।
डूइंग देयर जॉब।
या, सो जैसे हम कह रहे थे कि हैदराबाद, इफ यू लुक एट द टेबल, टॉप फोर, आप देखेंगे मुंबई, एटीके, हैदराबाद और गोवा। हैदराबाद इज सरप्राइजिंगली एट द third place, compared to where they were last season. So it's been a very interesting season for them, and the reason we say it's interesting is because क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत they kind of struggled uh, with the games, right?
या
तो अभी
तो
तक जैसे
अपन
बोल रहे हैं कि
या
हैदराबाद ने
अपन
10 गेम खेला है। तो अगर आप देखेंगे कैसे ट्रेजेक्टरी कैसा गया, दे स्टार्टेड विद अ विन, फिर 3 ड्रॉस, फिर एक विन आया, फिर 3 straight losses and they got back onto winning ways in the last 2 games.
यस, तो इनिशियल फॉर्म उनका अच्छा रहा है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द हैदराबाद फैंस वेर कंसर्न्ड अबाउट देयर गोल स्कोरिंग, है ना?
Yeah.
So I think they have worked on it, which backfired in this mid area with Manchester City, Goa and Kerala Blasters.
मुंबई सिटी।
उधर थोड़ा शायद वो ट्रांजिशंस में गोल खा रहे थे, तो इट स्टार्टेड ऑफ कोर्स विद ईस्ट बंगाल, दो दो गोल्स उधर खाए थे। एंड या मैच मुंबई सिटी, केरला ब्लास्टर एंड गोवा ने उनको गोवा ने ट्रबल नहीं किया, गोवा के साथ तो 86 मिनट्स अच्छा खेले थे। बट या 85 मिनट्स के बाद उन्होंने
जो पर्सनल चेंजेस
uh,
हुए थे, जो सब्स्टिट्यूशंस हुआ था, आई
हाँ,
थिंक दैट काइंड ऑफ मेस्ड अप हैदराबाद अगेंस्ट गोवा। बट अगर
yes,
जैसे, हाँ बिल्कुल, आप जैसे बोल रहे हैं, ईस्ट बंगाल के अगेंस्ट जो स्टार्ट हुआ था, जो प्रॉब्लम विद लेटिंग अप 2 goals, आई थिंक मुंबई और केरला की गेम ने आप ये बिल्कुल देखा। गोवा का भी आप बोल सकते हैं, इन बिग पर्सनल सब्स्टिट्यूशन जो भी हो, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे दे काइंड ऑफ लॉस्ट इट इन द सेम वे।
या तो हाँ, उधर थोड़ा बेटर कर सकते थे डिफेंसिवली, बट एनीवे, मूविंग ऑन टू चेन्नई एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट का गेम्स, they played very well offensively, which covered up for their defense. So I think there is still a lot to do in terms of defense. Defense as in not the back four, but the men in front of back four,
या।
right? Individually they have been good, but देखते हैं कि उनका कॉम्बिनेशन कैसा रहा है।
बिल्कुल।
So yeah, up and down journey for them. Looking forward to see more games and how they turn up.
या। तो या, तो जैसे आप बोल रहे थे, सम ऑफ द स्टैट्स, अब अगर आप देखेंगे, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट इशू, जैसे आप बोल रहे थे कि हैदराबाद फैंस को था कि गोल स्कोरिंग, तो आई थिंक वो लास्ट 2 गेम्स में दे वर एबल टू शो दे कैन स्कोर द गोल्स।
Yeah, initially they were more reliant on Aridane, but later on Halicharan chipped in, right?
या।
End game में Colasso chipped in, फिर Chiellini also chipped in.
या।
So initially, हाँ, because of the absence of Chiellini and Franz Andaza also, there could be attacking problems, but Aridane, handled the ship well. He steered the boat well. They were in top 5 or 6 on the table after 4 5 games. But later on, again, East Bengal के साथ तो गोल मार चुके थे because they were not really in form, and there were defensive lapses for East Bengal as well. जो तो 3 goals उधर मिल गए थे अपन को, but you could see the lack of goal scoring again in the next 3 games, है ना,
Yeah.
मुंबई सिटी, केरला ब्लास्टर एंड एफसी।
Yeah.
So luckily last 2 games में उन्होंने 8 goals मार दिया, तो they recovered their goals का stats, but otherwise, yeah, goal scoring was really a problem. Aridane was really a threat in the air and on the field as well. बहुत अच्छा खेल लेते, we'll talk about him later anyway.
Yeah. तो one of the stat अगर जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, like okay, goal scoring का तो आपने बात कर लिया, but the problem what Hyderabad is having is like the goal conceding, like उन्होंने the way they have conceded the goals, and they only kept so far like 2 clean sheets, and वो भी 2 clean sheets at the beginning of the season में आया था जब सुब्रत और पॉल ने लगाया था. So goal conceding is again a problem for Hyderabad, where you could see like I think stretch of 3 games जहाँ पे उन्होंने lose किया, and I think सबने सोचा like they're gonna blow it against Northeast B when they gave up considered 2 goals in the first half after they were 2 up.
या तो डिफेंसिव प्रॉब्लम्स मैं बोलता हूँ कि पर्सनल के हिसाब से नहीं है, बिकॉज यू कैन सी सन्ना सिंह परफॉर्मिंग वेरी वेल, वरना इंडिया परफॉर्मिंग वेरी वेल, 2 fullbacks परफॉर्मिंग वेरी वेल, जाव विक्टर परफॉर्मिंग रियली वेल। तो इनके पर्सनल अच्छे हैं बहुत, बट आई थिंक इनके टैक्टिक्स में थोड़ा दिक्कत है डिफेंसिवली, बिकॉज आपने देखा होगा ईस्ट बंगाल कैपिटलाइज्ड ऑन दी कांस्टेंट मूवमेंट व्हिच ओपनड अप द कैप्स।
Yeah.
उन्होंने 2 गोल खा लिया हैदराबाद ने, एंड मुंबई सिटी वी नो हाउ दे आर ऑलरेडी प्लेइंग, and opening up our defense was not really a problem for them. केरला ब्लास्टर्स तो pressing बहुत खेला था हैदराबाद के अगेंस्ट. I think they got their first win against Hyderabad. They were having no wins at all till that time, and they also उधर थोड़ा डिफेंसिव एरर्स भी हुए थे बहुत अपने केरला के गेम में, बट देन अगेन एनीवे चेन्नई और नॉर्थ ईस्ट के अगेंस्ट दे कवर्ड अप offensively. We need to see how they'll cope up defensive gaps.
Yeah. So जैसे आप बोल रहे like defensive gaps, like so one of the thing what I have observed is like just like one of the example Kerala game, like even though Kerala wasn't doing that well, they still came out with a win. And actually अगर आप game देखोगे, they really played well, like they high pressed, they did everything right. So like Hyderabad में I think वो एक problem है, like अगर जब you have a Sovik जो है like he's there for pressing, but like if you put him in, it kind of takes away the attack for Hyderabad because of the passing issue जो भी है. तो and अगर आप शास्त्री को डालेंगे तो you'll see your midfield becoming slow, जैसे आप गोवा के against देखा था. So how can Hyderabad work on this?
तो जैसे हम देखते हैं डिफेंसिव मिडफील्ड का कॉम्बो, राइट, बैक फोर तो सॉलिड है, उनका अपना अपना काम अच्छा कर रहे हैं। डिफेंसिव मिड का कॉम्बो जब आप देखोगे कि जाओ विक्टर अपना इंडिविजुअल रोल अच्छा कर रहे हैं, एंड व्हेन ही गोस टू कवर और टैकल और इंटरसेप्ट द बॉल्स, राइट, देयर इज अ गैप दैट इज फॉर्म्ड इन द मिडफील्ड एरिया व्हिच आई थिंक लुइस शास्त्रे टेक सम टाइम टू कवर, ठीक है। तो वो डिफेंसिवली इतना अच्छा नहीं है, ही इज अ बॉल प्लेइंग मिडफील्डर, right?
Yeah.
So he puts in very good passes, his passing accuracy is very good, he offers very much offensively, right? But defensively जब आप देखोगे जाव विक्टर जब मूव होते हैं बॉल कवरिंग के लिए, राइट, अटैकर्स को इफ यू नोटिस सब टीम्स ऑफेंसिव खेल रहे हैं इस बार आईएसएल में, there is no team who is playing defensively, and I mean apart from 1 or 2, right? Most of the teams are playing offensive football. तो उधर जब कवर करने जा रहे हैं जाव विक्टर टू इंटरसेप्ट द बॉल्स, there is a huge gap left behind in the defensive midfield area, which I think Sastre is unable to cover in that time because he is not really fast, right? He has his own limitations, कि उनका speed का limitation है थोड़ा, otherwise offensively बहुत अच्छा contribute करता है। वही अगर प्लेस में आप हितेश को डालोगे, defensively he is able to contribute, he is able to cover up, he is linking up well with the other midfielders, but going up front he is not really he's not delivering those effective balls.
Yeah,
which
and
Aridane
he's not much of a
बिल्कुल,
yeah, he's not much of a threat in the attack. But I think that's one thing we're gonna look into it, क्योंकि जब हम बात करेंगे हितेश की, I think जो position में उसे खेलना था, I think he only played maybe 2 games in the season so far. Other than that, he's been playing a little bit out of position. So जब सौविक और उसने खेला था, I think वो interchangeable भी हो गया था. So that's something I think जैसे हम player personal की तरफ देखेंगे, थोड़ा वो बात करेंगे. But
Yeah,
yeah, जैसे हमने बोला, like goal scoring अगर आप देखेंगे, like first 6 games में कैसा था और first 5 games में कैसा था और next 5 games में, like how Hyderabad started scoring. So थोड़ा एक problem तो resolve हो गया है, but there are quite a few things that we need to look into. So शुरू करते हैं, like जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं, like मिडफील्ड का प्रॉब्लम. सो पहले प्रॉब्लम से ही शुरू करते हैं. तो जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, लाइक शास्त्रे और जाव विक्टर, I mean, Jao Victor has been solid, like no doubt. But before we go into Sastre, like Jao Victor performance has been all over the pitch.
या सो जाव विक्टर हम देखे कि बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं. ही इज नॉट making silly fouls at all. He is making solid tackles, solid interceptions. He is basically an asset. वो मतलब invisible रहते हैं टीम में and he'll already have done his job. ठीक है.
Yeah.
So yeah, he doesn't waste time much on the ball. He releases the ball on time. So he does his job very effectively.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's definitely an asset.
बिल्कुल. So अभी प्रॉब्लम ये आ रहा है कि like you need Luis Sastre in the lineup, you need Jao Victor in the lineup. लेकिन उन दोनों का पेयरिंग नहीं जा रहा है. एंड जैसे हम आप बोल रहे थे, like like at times like Hitesh Sharma hasn't worked out. Even Souvik Chakravarti hasn't worked out. But yeah, the goal scoring, like अगर आप हितेश और सौविक को lineup में डालेंगे, then defensively you get that stability. Like in attack में, like everything just goes missing.
या तो ये पूरा सिस्टम को थोड़ा चेंज करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि उनका इंडिविजुअली एवरीवन इज डूइंग देयर जॉब हैदराबाद में, राइट.
Yeah.
द ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज द कॉम्बिनेशन. ठीक है. लुइस शास्त्री को अलग से आप बिठा नहीं सकते बिकॉज देयर विल बी नो डिलीवरीज, राइट. एंड जाव विक्टर को आप बिठा नहीं सकते बिकॉज यू विल लूज योर डिफेंसिव स्टेबिलिटी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द बैकबोन, राइट. तो इंडिविजुअली आप किसी को बिठा नहीं सकते, बट एट द सेम टाइम देयर शुड बी सम कोच का थोड़ा होना चाहिए, डंडा पड़ना चाहिए अटैकिंग मिडफील्डर्स को टू बैक देम अप. At the same time, we need to see how they cover each other's gaps right now, because that is the only problem Hyderabad is having.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Because of which all the front people are coming back. जैसे initial matches में हुआ था जब वो defensively solid थे but offensively they were lacking.
Yeah.
Because everyone came deep to defend. तो वो starting में हुआ था. अभी offensively ज्यादा जा रहे हैं तो पीछे भी gaps दिख रहे हैं defensive, which the other teams are finding, and they are really capitalizing them.
Okay.
Score कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
तो actual combination एक अच्छा वाला देखना चाहिए. I don't know how Manolo will solve this problem, but yeah, I would say individually you cannot replace them with others right now at this moment, but you need to find some beach ka solution.
Yeah, you need to find some stability to help them out. Agar, like if you're planning to have Jao Victor and Luis Sastre, I think you need to figure out having a help from attack, like someone has to cover them and back them up. So yeah, so that thing something that Hyderabad has to start looking into it. But जैसे आपने दूसरा चीज जो कह रहे हैं हम लोग, like the goalkeeping thing, right?
Yeah.
तो goalkeeping. So जैसे हमने कहा कि Hyderabad first 2 games, Hyderabad only kept 2 clean sheets, and that was only the first 2 games. Has been a little bit problematic, right?
Yeah, तो सुब्रतो ने इनिशियली बहुत अच्छा खेला, बट वंस दे स्टार्टेड कंसीडिंग गोल्स उनका थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. आई डोंट नो कॉन्फिडेंस में हो गया क्या हुआ, राइट. तो उसके बाद से ही कंसीडर्ड गोल्स व्हिच ही कुड हैव डन बेटर. ठीक है. यही शॉट्स अगर वो इनिशियल सीजन में फेस करते तो शायद ही कुड हैव डन बेटर. ही कुड हैव स्टॉप्ड देम 1 or 2 एटलीस्ट. ठीक है. बट गोइंग अहेड उनको शायद गोल्स खाने के बाद थोड़ा प्रेशर हो गया, पता नहीं क्या हो गया. He started doing some mistakes also on the field. Those mistakes did not convert into goals, but yeah, you could see that he's uncomfortable उधर. तो आई थिंक टू गिव हिम सम रेस्ट, मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी का करने के लिए कट्टीमनी को चांस दे रहे थे बीच में, एंड कट्टीमनी भी अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे, राइट. तो देयर इज दिस या गोलकीपिंग एरिया में भी थोड़ा काम करना चाहिए हैदराबाद को.
Yeah, so Katimani has had an up and down games. Like जैसे one of the games I think was it against Chennai. Yeah, but he had some like silly mistakes, gave up the first goal, and kind of had like a big error also.
Yeah.
And yeah, so it's been up and down for him. Like, but there's kind of I think वो stability भी चाहिए हैदराबाद को अभी.
अब तो सिर्फ आई नोटिस्ड इट इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड जब फर्स्ट हाफ में उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा करा था.
Yeah,
आई वाज रियली शॉक्ड टू सी हिम परफॉर्म लाइक दैट. आई होप ही कंटिन्यूज दैट फॉर्म. एंड सेकंड हाफ में अगेन एक दो सेव अच्छा करे थे, बाकी ही स्टार्टेड फंबलिंग इन सेकंड हाफ.
बिल्कुल. I mean,
So yeah,
yeah, the way he played in the first half.
putting upfront, so it is not being complemented at the back. Abhi on the goal sticks play. So I think they deserve a better keeper, or at least Subrato or Katimani can gain.
Yeah. All right. So अपना next position we will go on to is center back. So I think center backs for Hyderabad has been pretty strength. Like over 10 games. I think पहले game में एक game में I think Jao Victor from midfield he had to play in the center back role. But other than that, like overall, it's been really good.
Yeah, तो डिफेंस की बात कर रहे हैं अपन.
बिल्कुल. Yeah, अपने center backs की.
Yeah. या सेंटर बैक्स. या फर्स्ट मैच में जैसे अपन को ऑप्शन नहीं था, आदिल खान जैसे इंजर्ड थे, तो वी गॉट इन जाव विक्टर टू डू दैट जॉब.
हम्म.
सीम्स लाइक ही हैज डन वेरी गुड जॉब एट दैट पोजीशन.
बिल्कुल.
बट दैट इज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन राइट व्हिच वी आर लुकिंग फॉर. तो सना सिंह को चांस दिया गया सेकंड मैच में, एंड फ्रॉम देयर ही हैड डन ए वेरी गुड जॉब. ओना इंडिया तो बेटर है ही. We could see it in his gameplay, his understanding, his positioning, right? He bailed out Ashish Rai in couple of instances, right? And yeah, I think एक गोल में उनका गलती था जो उन्होंने बैक पास दिया था. अदर देन दैट आई डोंट फील देयर इज एनी फाउल डन फ्रॉम हिज एंड. एंड हाँ, तो बहुत डिसिप्लिन परफॉर्मेंस है ओना इंडिया का. एंड चिंगलेसाना सिंह बहुत इजीली वो बॉल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, शिफ्ट ऑफ गेम प्ले कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम वन साइड टू अनदर. So he seems comfortable on the ball. He did not look like he was under pressure on his first game also. So yeah, very good performance so far from center backs.
Yeah, बिल्कुल. So I think
Apart
that's one
from
of
apart from one goal from Northeast where they could have done better, where everyone were looking at each other to stop.
yeah. I think everyone could have done better that second goal. Other than Katimani, I think Katimani was the only one who was really working hard at that time.
Yeah, so as we said, वो गेम में थोड़ा कट्टीमनी अच्छा परफॉर्म करे थे, तो there also we could see that he was trying his best to stop the goal. But yeah, all the defenders who were there were just seeing each other. So yeah, anyone could have done better.
बिल्कुल. All right, so अभी आते हैं अपने fullbacks की तरफ. So we have like two really good, awesome fullbacks, Ashish Rai और Akash Mishra में. Have you enjoyed both of them so far?
Yeah, so Ashish Rai and Akash Mishra have been complementing each other on the either sides. I don't know whom to say that he is better on one side and who is weak on the other side. Both have been playing very well on both the flanks, either of the flanks. However, Akash Mishra seems like he is defensively more offering more defensively, and Ashish Rai has been he has been overplayed by Bipin Singh at times, right? And या तो मंदर राव के साथ भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स हो गए थे उनके
Yeah.
80K के अगेंस्ट. तो डिफेंसिवली ही कैन बी रेजिलिएंट. एंड yeah, but that is also because he did not have enough backup from the right winger, right? On the other hand, Akash Mishra is having backup from Narzari, very good backup from Narzari has been running up and down each and every time. तो आकाश मिश्रा को वो थोड़ा स्टेबिलिटी थोड़ा ज्यादा मिल रहा है, आशीष राय को थोड़ा कम मिल रहा है, बिकॉज पुजारी उतना पीछे नहीं आ रहे थे. पुजारी हैज बीन गुड, बट फर्स्ट गेम में शायद वो उतना कर नहीं पा रहे थे, राइट? सेकेंड थर्ड गेम में ही पिक्ड अप, बट अगेन पुजारी गॉट रिप्लेस्ड बाय यासिर उतना ऑफर नहीं कर रहे थे विंग पोजीशन पे डिफेंसिवली. तो आशीष राय का थोड़ा डिफेंसिवली प्रॉब्लम था क्योंकि ही वाज अलोन हैंडलिंग द राइट हैंड का एरिया. अदरवाइज you can see him running up and down the pitch for entire 90 minutes.
Yeah.
So very solid performance from both of them.
बिल्कुल. So जैसे आप बोल रहे थे, like Akash Mishra has help with Mahali Charan on the left side. I think Ashish Rai को नहीं है क्योंकि and that's one of the thing क्योंकि Ashish Rai को इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि the right side, the right wing of the Hyderabad has been pretty unstable, and that's something that Hyderabad has to look into it. Alright, so जैसे हम बोल रहे थे like midfielders की बात. So midfielders, it's been very solid. जैसे अगर देखेंगे like individually they each one has been so solid so far. लेकिन थोड़ा वो defensive mid position, जैसे आपने पहले कहा था like it's been up and down for Hyderabad. So hopefully they can work on it. Hopefully Hitesh Sharma or Sovik they can find their role in the team. क्या बोलते हो?
सो अभी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो गया है हितेश एंड सोविक के लिए,
Yeah.
बिकॉज earlier there was a vacant CAM position when KNZ was injured, right? Abhi KNZ is back from injury, and also there is a new signing,
Yeah.
correct? तो अभी न्यू साइनिंग आ जाएंगे रॉयलन, तो उनको मतलब आई थिंक सोविक एंड हितेश विल फाइंड इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बिकॉज लुइस शास्त्री इज अ वेरी गुड स्प्रेयर ऑफ द बॉल अराउंड द पिच, तो मुझे नहीं लगता उनको कोई रिप्लेस कर पाएंगे अभी. जाव विक्टर तो बात ही नहीं है, करेक्ट, रिप्लेस करने का.
Yeah.
तो हितेश एंड रवि को तो बहुत मुश्किल जाने वाला है आगे जाके. मे बी दे कुड गेट अ फ्यू मिनट्स टू सब someone else for 10 to 15 minutes, but otherwise I don't see them starting.
Yeah, बिल्कुल. So I think that's something that it should help दोनों को help चाहिए, like hopefully they can find their more roles. But जैसे मैं कह रहा था like जैसे आप भी earlier कह रहे थे कि on the left side of the wing for Hyderabad like Akash Mishra और हाली चरण का like combination अच्छा रहा, like attacking overlap कर रहे हैं and stability भी आ रहा है defense में. और right side में I think Ashish Rai like has been kind of left alone. He's been running up and down. And he hasn't been getting much help. Like पहले निखिल पुजारी थे, I think first game में थोड़ा बहुत problem हुआ, like बाद में then he started to provide him some help, but of attacking me he wasn't able to provide, then kind of got changed. So the right side of the right wing of the Hyderabad is still little bit unstable. तो लगता है like Joel Kenesi आके थोड़ा stable हो गया.
KNZ आने के बाद थोड़ा स्टेबल लग रहा है. आई थिंक देयर इज सम एरर इन दिस इमेज वेयर हालीचरण का क्रॉसेस आर शोन एज 2. इट इज वे मोर, आई थिंक क्रॉसेस 26 है बट चांसेस क्रिएटेड 2 है. देखते हैं अपन, वी कैन गेट इट डन. बट एनीवे नरजारी का has been running up and down 90 minutes each and every game, delivering goals, delivering assists, right? Contributing at the back. I think Halicharan has been one of the most best player for Hyderabad so far in half season, right? Coming to the right side of the pitch, there were many changes. You can see why, because there has been inconsistency there. Pujari,
It's
हाँ,
not only
defensively,
inconsistent. It's not only inconsistency. It's also injury too. Like अब जैसे आप बोलेंगे,
yeah,
like Joel Kenesi wasn't available fit for the first game, but when he came in the second game, he got again re-injured. So that kind of like was, and then after that it was just inconsistency over there. Like Liston Colasso को डाला, he didn't offer much when he started. Uh, पुजारी ने स्टार्ट किया, डिफेंसिवली ही वाज एबल टू प्रोवाइड, बट अटैकिंग में ज्यादा कुछ प्रोवाइड नहीं किया. यासिर भी गए, यासिर हैज बीन इनकंसिस्टेंट. So लगता है Joel Kenesi has kind of provided that attacking stability. Like in defensive में like अभी Ashish Rai is still by himself. And I think
yeah.
Ode India आके like he helps him out, but I think attack में कोई आना चाहिए उनको help करने के लिए.
Yeah, right now it seems that he is left alone on that right flank. He should get help from their wingers, right? Ode India has been bailing him out couple of times, right? Otherwise, as we can see, Mohammad Yasir starting के 4 games बहुत अच्छा खेले थे, बहुत अच्छा create भी कर रहे थे, but we couldn't see that, right? KNZ again, now he has come back, so we'll see going forward कैसा होता है. और
बिल्कुल. All right. So ये था अपना attacking mid. अभी forwards के बारे में like what can you tell? Like no complaints. I think only sad part is like जैसे आपने देखा like Sandaza wasn't available to start the season first. But when he came back, he had a lot of influence. Like I think एक assist भी आया था उनको. I think that was against Chennai, but he again kind of got re-injured. मालूम नहीं है कि like what's the level of injury. Like it looks like hamstring. So शायद he may be out for like 3 to 4 weeks, or it could be more than that depending on that. But that is what like. But Sandaza is really solid player, and we definitely know like we have a good backup for Aridane. But let's talk about the star player of the team, जो है Aridane. Like he's been tremendous for Hyderabad.
yeah, so star performer again for Hyderabad. 6 goals in 10 games. He has not played all. I think he had played only nine games. One he has missed, and the other one I think he got substituted. So yeah, 6 goals from him and a couple of assists. Uh, has been very dependable up front.
बिल्कुल
ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि एक ही स्ट्राइकर है तो अपने पास ऑप्शंस नहीं है. He has been coming deep and helping in the defense. He has been distributing balls. He has been selfless in terms of scoring goals or to give passes. तो chances created इनके बहुत अच्छे हैं. And yeah, we couldn't have asked more from Aridane.
बिल्कुल आई थिंक
एंड संडोजा का जब आप बोलोगे 3 गेम्स में फीचर करे है, तीन तीन मैचेस में भी इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग दिखे थे.
बिल्कुल
I was expecting more from him, but unfortunately he got injured. But I also read somewhere that he is ready for next game because we have 7 days का gap now. So we'll have to see if he features.
Yeah, so hopefully that's a good news for Hyderabad fans. क्योंकि अगर if he's fit available, the next game for Hyderabad is against Mumbai, so थोड़ा बहुत problematic. I mean, a tough game because Mumbai is at the top of the table. But yeah, like just to add to Aridane and to end it up about Aridane, like he's been tremendous, just not as a forward, but like helping in the midfield or defense where. So he's done
Yeah,
everything what you could ask him for.
yeah, team player.
बिल्कुल. All right, so ये था अपना team, but let's look at the top five performance for the mid-season of the Hyderabad. So obviously, number one is Aridane. He has really done so far, really great job, no doubt about it. Number two में है Hali Charan. Again, like he's been really solid. I think that left side of the wing, I think he's taken up for himself. Three में obviously Jao Victor. Midfield में very strong. He's kept really good. He has got 2 goals for himself. Like एक penalty था और एक I think one of the goal was against I think Chennai या Northeast था शायद. Where he I think against North against Chennai था शायद yeah. So where he got a assist from Yasir. Fourth में obviously Ashish Rai. Hardworking, up and down, running like an engine. Same thing with Akash Mishra. So like our two fullbacks have been really solid. So this is our top five performance. Like, do you agree with this?
Yeah, so we did this together. So
Yeah. So
I
yeah,
don't think we have seen a very so dependable fullback pair in ISL in this season. So I think they are the best fullback pair available right now.
yeah,
So yeah, I mean other fans will start shouting at us, but yeah, that is what I think.
yeah, definitely. Agar if you're looking at the best pair, definitely Hyderabad has the best pair of fullbacks.
Yeah.
All right. So टॉप फाइव परफॉर्मेंस की बात करें लेकिन अभी नीड्स इंप्रूवमेंट की भी देखना है जैसे हम पहले बोल रहे थे लाइक सम ऑफ द प्लेयर्स स्पेसिफिकली लाइक mid defensive midfield role may like a substitute or maybe like another option for Luis Sastre or Javik like Hitesh or Sovik. They both are good individually, but I think they need to improve on that. Similarly, Liston Colasso Kavi, like I think he was finally able to get 2 goals for himself, and Wobby again he came against Northeast, his favorite team. Uh, but I think he has to be a little bit more consistent with his finishing. Uh, Similarly with Yasir, I think Yasir Kovi, like I think he's been up and down with the consistency. Nikhil Pujari, it's really tough for him to get back in the lineup.
Yeah, I think in the games like Mumbai City and DTK, I think Pujari can do a better job because he can offer better at the wings defensively.
Mhm.
Otherwise, I don't see if it is an attacking game. I don't think he can, feature much. Maybe after when the coach decides to substitute people, maybe he can use Pujari to, offer something upfront and also defensive duties.
Mhm.
But otherwise, I don't think he's starting in that match.
All right, and the goalkeeping will be a big watch for Hyderabad to see who's going to be the number one goalkeeper for Hyderabad.
I think it will be Subrato. It's only that I think he's injured because he was not featured in the last match also, right?
Mhm.
So injury हुआ है शायद. That is why he has not been playing for full 90 minutes. देखना पड़ेगा कैसा होता है इनका goalkeeping problem solve.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Okay.
they need to.
All right. So जैसे हमने कहा like need improvement, there are other category हम जो देख रहे हैं like some needs game time और शुरू करते हैं like obviously Adil Khan. We have talked about Hitesh quite. Rohit Danubi is one other option. Like they can look into it. Like he had some cameo performances, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. shown some promise. So I think in order to like uh, he has like in order to build on that, like he has to keep playing. Similarly, yeah, Kongzit or Fernandez Kabi.
Yeah, so with the options available for Hyderabad, I don't think Rohit Danu, I don't know how he'll get much time on the pitch. But yeah, so Adil Khan definitely needs some time on the pitch because there is no backup right now
Yeah.
for ODI India and Sana Singh both, right? I think he should get more minutes than they are getting now. Uh, and yeah, Kongsit और Sweden को भी आना चाहिए. They should get a feel of the game in this season.
Mhm.
Otherwise, it will be very difficult in the form of getting substitutions. हर जगह पे substitutions available है other than center back position. Uh,
Yeah, other than center back, and I think fullbacks is also that another place where we will get tested in case if you have any injuries or issues. All right. So that said, like हम लोग बात करते हैं like season so far. So season so far, uh, Hyderabad. If you ask me, like it's been an interesting season. It's been a very interesting season, and I would ask you the same thing. Like I mean, in my perspective, like Hyderabad season has been success so far. But yeah, but yeah, like we'd like to know like आपका opinion क्या है, and yeah, just let us know through your messages. But
yeah.
that said,
Yeah, so workouts were returned with mobile data. Yeah. So yeah, so season so far has been really successful for Hyderabad because after last year's performance, they finished at the bottom of the table. Seeing the club at third position at mid-season is really, keeping their fans glued onto the television set and putting them each and every time. So yeah, really looking forward to see Hyderabad. Hopefully they make Asian games because yeah, we can see more Hyderabad youngsters. Hyderabad youngsters as in Indian youngsters featuring in Asian Cups.
yeah, Bilkul. So, I mean, it's definitely a success, like where you are in the mid-season compared to where they finished last season. But I think next 10 games is going to be challenging. I think challenging for every single team. Kyunki, like they're playing 10 games in about span of 6 to 7 weeks. So it's a tough challenge. And just I'm bold, like when it comes to Hyderabad, the second half of the season, they will open their account against Mumbai City, and that will be on Saturday on 16th January at 7:30 p.m. IST. So yeah, so that's going to be an interesting welcome back for them to the game. So hopefully it will be another interesting game to watch. But that said, we'll end our show here, end our podcast over here. So we'll meet you again for preview of the game for Mumbai City versus Hyderabad. But that said, thank you, Naval. Thanks for joining.
Thanks, Udit.